Today we'll see about programming language in C++. In this programming language in C++, many children asking their questions. Sir, this programming language simply will adding two numbers. Sir, this is calculator is there, sir? No, sir. 5 plus 3 is nothing but 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. It is easy. Sir, this addition purpose we need a programming languages. Now can I ask question number 2? This is question number 1. Now can I ask question number 2? 5 is divided by 8 plus 9 is divided by 19 equal to what? Come on, fast. So this also addition, this also addition. But comparing these sums, this is complicated. In this complicated situation, solving an easy techniques, we are introducing a formulas. That formula will make it a programming. That's why we are introducing a program. In this program, how can we write, sir? Sir, what are the methods we'll follow? Every program, okay, program about it don't say. First, we want to see in your mobile balance, okay, in your mobile, what? Start 1, 2, 3. After that, we'll introduce as. Okay, why we are introduced as is nothing but the binary format for all the information. As a manual, we will see decimals. That's why we will introducing as symbol. Same as in the programming language also, every program before we are introducing at a file is as symbol. I think so you can understand. Now in this programming language, first line is as. So what is the use of as? It's nothing but what we are telling, that information sending to the computer. Computer what is information is giving to in our side. That also, this is important mediator, is nothing but decimal into binary or binary into decimal, hexadecimal into binary, binary into hexadecimal. This is very, very important. That's why we're introducing as. Include. Okay, yes. In this case, IO stream. Clear? This is header file. What? Include files. Another one name also is that preprocessor statement. Yes. So if you want to write in a programming screen, you need to clear what neatly writing purpose. We are introducing same another one header file is also console input and output .h. This is simply also console input and output .h. This is second header files. And then we know this program, every program start with integer. So and then main function, and then we'll introduce two what? Addition of two number means this is one number, another number. So we'll apply variable. First number is what? Here integer, this number is a comma b. Okay, so these two sums will adding somewhere, that's called C. It should be terminated by semicolon. Why, sir? In natural English, we are writing something, or Tamil or English, any sentences will over means naturally will put full stop. But in American language, computer language, the line should be terminated means A comma B comma C, it should be terminated by semicolon. Okay, yes, that's why integer A comma B comma C. Now we'll introduce the numbers. That number should be declared variable A comma B. That's why we will introduce C out. So that two numbers enter the value of A and B. It should be terminated by semicolon. That's why C out will introduce. Whatever may be typed inside the double quotes in a C out, that will be displayed on a monitor or screen. But this is user understand. Outside everybody understand. But computer machine, how can we understand? See in via. This is input. This is showing output. So input in this computer, A is a one input, another one is B. It should be terminated by semicolon. Now we'll start a process. The process means we know two number addition. That's why C equal to A plus B. It should be terminated by what? Semicolon. So showing over, declaration over, and then keyboard via getting input over, process over. The final process A plus B will assign a variable C. That C, how will we show? How will we show the output? That's why we'll introducing C out. Okay, yes. The what? Sum is. Okay, this sum is. Okay, here we'll introduce these two variable. A plus B will assign a C. No, that's why C. Want to show C. Okay. Now here already here include console input and output. Okay, yes, every time writing in a screen, that's why we're introducing CLR SCR. If you want, we'll type, otherwise no problem. But if you get result immediately means get CH. Okay, and then it should be terminated by closed. It should be terminated by semicolon. Here open parenthesis. This is a closed parenthesis. Okay, here's IO stream. Sometimes not necessary, also no problem. If you want, get CH, and then same time here also every time clear the screen CLR SCR. The CLR SCR and get CH. These two header file is a what? Console input and output. In this case, C out and C in. These two processes will work means we will introduce IO stream dot H, but in this version is a IO stream only. It's acceptable. Okay, yes. So this is a program. Now manually we'll check in this program. The question will rise us. Now here what question will rise us? Enter the value of A and B. That is a question. Okay, so A means 15 and then B means 30. Okay, the final answer. That's why the sum is. Okay, here also the sum is. We will make it in a colon here within a double quote colon. Same time here also the sum is colon 45. Okay, children. Yes. I think so in this program understand clearly. Now I will give one homework for you. That homework is in your class only 3 subjects. One is M1 and then M2 and then M3. Only 3 papers. Okay? Yes, you think exam. But to find total marks. Okay, to write a program, homework, 3 subject mark, M1, M2, M3, to find total marks. Okay, will work out in this program. You take photocopy, send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, any doubts are there? Okay, directly come to my number. I will help you. Okay, I think so you can understand clearly. Thank you for this session.